What am I doing? Oh, you must be like, oh, he's gonna do another mod. We're gonna do like, I don't know, new air filter. We're gonna do another belt. Maybe we should do like heads or cam. Let's do something cool, right? Well, this evening, I'm not on my first or on my second. I'm on my third thermostat from MotoRad. Of course, it's an AutoZone grade thermostat, and it's probably, you know, MotoRad has 3 different grades. Obviously, AutoZone carries the crappiest one. So I'm done with MotoRad. I'm done with Stat. I'm going Milodon, whatever you want to call it. All right, here it is. There's the pot number. Don't send me a message. There it is. 16405. That's going in today. You know, the great thing about having a Pro Charger is you gotta remove the intake tube. This is a 3 to 4 hour deal. You gotta remove the intake tube, take the belt off, loosen the tensioner, take the belt off, back the screw off, take the filter off, take the head unit off, and then, drum roll please, you gotta remove the bracket. This bracket gotta come off in order to get to the thermostat housing unit. Now, whether or not it has to come off all the way a little bit, I take it off all the way because the bolts are a pain. And that's what we're doing. We're gonna take everything off, switch the thermostat out, put everything back on. All for a thermostat. I've had one MotoRad completely shut on me, and the one I have right now, the second one, is at about 230 degrees, ready to shut. It's probably over about that much. Right there, about that much. I'm done with it. Milodon is a great thermostat, a lot of good reviews, people like them. So this should be the last time I do this. I'm putting a 160 in this time, not a 180. 180 makes the engine run on a hot day like 192 to 194. I want to run at 185. Hopefully this does the trick. All right, she's out. The hot bee is out. It is heavy. Now that the head unit's off, I mean, you would think the bolt's right here, that bolt, and then this bolt, you would think you can get to them and cut this thing off, but the bracket's just so close to everything, the bracket has to come off. Just to do a thermostat. Always good to check your turbo or Pro Charger fins to make sure there's nothing, no damage. She's fine. You're a good girl. Got it off. And she's open. Took the thermostat out. Look at the size of this thing. This is MotoRad. You can see it. MotoRad. MotoRad. Garbage. And then look at the Milodon. It's tiny. It's a high flow. I got the gasket on. I'm gonna seat this little girl where it's supposed to go. Clean the surface, and stick this back in. Perfect. Here's your Milodon high flow thermostat. Seat's nice, looks good too. You talk about a workout, that bracket is a biatch. You got a double bushing here, single and a single. I left the bottom bolt on. That's a pipe down there. I left the bottom bolt on, just swung this down. Wow, it's 97 degrees out. I'm not having fun. But it's in, thermostat's in, bracket's back on. I'm gonna mount the head unit, put the air filter back on, connect the intake, and we're done. We're gonna take it for a little rip, make sure we're at 185. Yeah, buddy. And while I have the bracket on, the blower's on, you can actually see the JBA shorties. And what's awesome about the clutch fan delete, this is probably the best mod ever, not for performance, but just for room to work. You have all this space to do your work. No fan, no shroud in the way. It's awesome. Builder Technologies, USA! Hey, if Santa doesn't show up for next year's Christmas, that's why. I ran him over. Santa got run over by Laramie. There you go. Nice. Intake's on. Infilter. Almost done. Just gotta do some plugging in. Gotta refill the coolant. Get the intake tube on. And then take it for a rip. I just cleaned my mitts with some cod cleaner. If you have an open wound, don't worry about it. It'll sting a little bit. Belt's going in. It's a Fleet running greenback. Heavy duty belt. Just going back in. Head units on. Filters on. We're almost there. Pain in the butt. It's on though. Belt's on. I adjust this. I'm done. Fill up some radiator fluid. Put the intake tube back on. Bada boom. Bada connect something together. Something I haven't seen in a long time. 160 thermostat, Milodon thermostat. Usually on a pull, a little pull, it'll go up to 190, 192. It's not moving. It's sticking at 185, that's awesome. The low temperature's at 186. It is 84 degrees out. At night, max AC is on. Yeah, buddy.